Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an extension outdoor outlet. So if you have an outlet outside and you want to move one and get it somewhere else, you can plug it in, just plug it into a regular outlet and run the extension cord somewhere else. And then you can do this, and it comes with all the things here. You can just screw it right into the wall, put this other little piece on here now, and then screw this onto it as well. And then look at that, when you open it up, you've got two ports, and it even comes with these little rubber things here. You can take those off if you need the wires to run down there, if you have Christmas lights or something like that that you're setting up. So it's a great little setup here. So if you're running some sort of an extension and you need to have some outdoor extension and want it to still be safe, this is a great way to do it. So super easy to do. Comes with all the screws and everything you need to mount it to a wood wall. And then these are just some little connectors and the stoppers, the pieces that'll go in there. So it's great. It's got everything you need. So all set up so you can run the wire wherever you want it. Thumbs up for sure.